Short Track Racing is here. They say, I love the 604. It's my favorite stock car racing engine. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool deal. And Darren is
It's
here.
actually mine too.
Yeah.
Because it's saved racing.
Well, tell me about that. You know, what makes you think that it saved racing?
Well, because as super late model racing got more expensive, and even limited late model racing to a point, it kind of provided an alternative for guys who, nowadays can't afford a $55,000 engine to go race weekly and be competitive. So by a 604, you can pretty much go anywhere in the country and race. And, super late model engine, again, to go compete with the World Outlaw guys or Lucas guys, I mean, you're spending $55,000. Unless it's just some anomaly, weird racetrack where you don't need that kind of engine to go win.